Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the price of gold as price remains below the $1,800 level, and we're also creating a really nice bearish reversal pattern that I can see forming. So I couldn't ignore it any longer, so I wanted to take a look at it in this video and just have a little look at if the bearish breakout occurs, what will happen next for gold. So while I'm really looking into this, well, we can see that gold is really getting stuck here at this $1,800 level. We've not really breached above it, or any sort of attempt to breach above it most recently has seen sellers re-enter the market and push price back to the downside. So the $1,800 level, definitely a sticking point for the price of gold. We can also see, looking left, that it is a significant level of support and resistance. So there is an accumulation forming here which could create price an opportunity to trade either to the downside or to the upside. Now, the US dollar index is coming into an area of support. So and again, another reason why I'm interested more to the downside is because the US dollar index is at a level of support, and if that support is held and buyers start coming in for the US dollar index, there could be a good chance that price could be about to push back to the downside. Now, looking at price right now, you can see this nice weekly chart here. You can see a nice bearish candlestick formed yesterday. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price is forming this consolidative pattern now, and this is the one that I said I don't think that we could quite ignore with the market at the moment. Now, looking at the pattern forming here, you can see that we've got the higher highs. But you can see that most recently the recent high has come under the previous structure high. So again, that's kind of showing us that, a little bit like with the euro US dollar, where we're talking about the buyers running out of steam. You know, our buyers running out of steam here as well for the price of gold, because we're trying to trade through these highs here and it's not really being effective. Now, this squeeze pattern usually can be found at the top of trend trading situations. Now, we had a real nice breakout down through here to the upside. Now we're consolidating around $1,800. If price was to trade through the lows here, would that give us an opportunity then to trade back down to the lows around about the 17.25 handle or the 17.30 handle? So that's something to consider when looking at the price of gold here. Is price going to break out of this really nice consolidation pattern? We may get one more push up. If price does try and go for the highs again, we may get another sort of rally, because obviously this could still squeeze within this pattern before continuing to the downside. So I think if you are going to look for the short, we need to wait for a confirmed break and completion of the pattern first. If I just go down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has pretty much gone sideways throughout the entire day before breaking through in the US session and then trading back down towards these swing lows through here. So if anything, if you're a short-term trader, your eyes will now be fixed on these lows in here, and is price going to start maybe finding support at that point, because that could offer you an opportunity within the pattern to trade back up to the resistance that's formed today. Ideally, if price does do that, then we're going to see another break of the high. If price fails again, then we can look to trade within the pattern, and then if we break through the pattern, trade through these lows here, that would give us a lot of confidence to see price trade down to that 17.25 handle. Okay, so keep an eye on gold. Lots of things to kind of keep your eye on. We've got the overall bigger picture of price failing at the $1,800 level. Within that, we've got this consolidative pattern which could offer day trading opportunities or very short-term opportunities. If this pattern does begin to fail, then that's going to be where the opportunity lies for your downside opportunities. Okay, hopefully that made a lot of sense. If it did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.